I'm going to show you how to get started with PowerShell so that you can become just such a power user. This is going to be PowerShell for total beginners, so all you seasoned pros, get out of here. Don't actually leave, just go watch some of the more advanced stuff that I have for you guys. Before we start listing specific commands, what do you do if you don't know PowerShell at all? Like, I mean total beginner. Get command is your friend. Get command will list everything PowerShell can do for you. This is a great way to get started and explore all of the possibilities. Let's do that now. Get-command. It's going to list all of the stuff that this thing can offer you. Look at this. There's thousands of them. Pro tip, add a star and a keyword after get command, and PowerShell will tell you all that it can do relative to that keyword. Watch this. Get-command network. I can see some network functions. How about this? Get-command process. These commands will tell me everything it can do as far as processes. Now that you know how to look up commands, let's look through some of the ones you're going to actually use every day in the field. First, the most important PowerShell command of all, get-help. PowerShell has built-in documentation to show you how to use it. You can literally teach yourself PowerShell with this one command, get-help. Read through this. It gives you descriptions, short ones, long ones, tells you all of the things that it can do and how to do it. Let's say you need help with something specific like processes. Get-help, get-process. Provides documentation on how to use it. The name, a synopsis of what happens, the syntax you should use, how to filter out the results, all built right into PowerShell's documentation. Number 2, get-process. This one's a lot like Task Manager, but it's for command line. It shows you what's running, how much RAM it's using up, how much CPU is being employed. Get-process. Incredibly useful. Now this is a lot of data it just spit out, but what if we want to arrange it a certain way? We can do that. Get-process type sort-object CPU descending. Now it's listing it where the CPU usage is top down. Much easier to read. Number 3, get service. If you're having weird Windows issues, slow PC, odd hangups, get service is going to be your friend. It shows you every Windows service and whether it's running, stopped, or stuck. Get-service. This is the command line of this GUI version right here, but it's much more powerful because we can filter our results in command line. Get service where object status equals stopped. Now we're only seeing stopped services. If you know what you're diagnosing, this is going to be super helpful. By the way, this syntax may seem a little overwhelming if you're just starting out with PowerShell, but go back to that first and second tip that I gave you where PowerShell will actually teach you the syntax of these commands and you'll be able to use them like a pro. Number 4, test connection. Everybody likes to use ping over in command prompt, but PowerShell offers you something even more powerful. It gives you latency, packet loss, and timing. Let's try it now. Test-connection google.com. Tells us our source, our destination, the IP address we're using based on the DNS query, how many bytes is being sent, and what the latency is, and a nice, easy to read chart. Love that. Number 5, get net IP address. Almost everybody knows about ipconfig. You can run that in command prompt and PowerShell. Looks like this. Standard operation, right? PowerShell's get net IP address gives you more information in a much cleaner way. Get-net IP